Tracy Morgan is not just a comedian, he's a living testament to perseverance, talent, and financial success. With an estimated $70 million net worth, Morgan's journey from the streets of Brooklyn to Hollywood luxury is nothing short of inspiring. Let's break down how he made his fortune in an interesting way. From stand-up to stardom, the comedy hustle. Tracy Morgan started his career the hard way, grinding on the stand-up comedy circuit in New York City. In the early 90s, he performed at small clubs, barely making ends meet. But his natural humor and bold, unapologetic style caught the attention of talent scouts. His big break came when he was cast on the hit sketch comedy show Saturday Night Live, SNL, in 1996. He stayed on for 7 years, becoming famous for his hilarious characters like Brian Fellow, the over-the-top safari enthusiast, and Astronaut Jones. SNL not only boosted his fame, but also gave him his first big paychecks. By the time he left SNL, he had already started making 6 figures per season, setting the foundation for his growing net worth. 30 Rock changed everything. While SNL made him a recognizable face, it was NBC's 30 Rock, 2006-2013, that made him a millionaire. Starring alongside Tina Fey and Alec Baldwin, Morgan played Tracy Jordan, a fictionalized version of himself, a wild, eccentric movie star. Here's the kicker. At the peak of the show's success, Tracy was earning $200,000 per episode. Over 7 seasons and 138 episodes, that's a whopping $27.6 million from this show alone. That kind of paycheck turned him from a working comedian into a serious millionaire. Movie deals, TV specials, Hollywood paydays. Tracy Morgan's film career also contributed to his net worth. Some of his biggest paydays came from movies like The Longest Yard, 2005, $2 million. Cop Out, 2010, $5 million. Rio, 2011. Rio 2, 2014, $3 million, voice acting as Louise, the bulldog. His unique voice and energy made him a go-to actor for comedy films, bringing in millions in earnings. Plus, his stand-up career continued to thrive, with comedy specials like Tracy Morgan Bona Fide, 2014, and Staying Alive, 2017, which earned him multi-million-dollar deals from HBO and Netflix. Walmart settlement, the $90 million controversy. In 2014, Tracy was involved in a horrific car accident when a Walmart truck crashed into his limousine, leaving him critically injured. He suffered a traumatic brain injury, broken bones, and was in a coma for 2 weeks. Morgan later sued Walmart, claiming the company was responsible for the accident. The case was settled privately, but reports suggest he received between $50 million to $90 million. While this tragic incident altered his life, it significantly boosted his financial standing. Business ventures investments. Tracy Morgan isn't just about jokes. He's also a smart investor. He has real estate investments, including a 13-acre, $9 million mansion in Alpine, New Jersey, which features a bowling alley, movie theater, and an aquarium. His car collection includes luxury rides like a Bugatti Veyron, $2 million, Rolls-Royce Phantom, $450,000, and Lamborghini Aventador, $500,000. He has endorsement deals with brands like Foot Locker, Old Spice, and Comedy Central, adding millions to his fortune. Conclusion: the man who laughed his way to millions. Tracy Morgan's journey is proof that comedy pays, if you're talented, persistent, and know how to seize opportunities. His $70 million net worth isn't just from telling jokes. It's from smart career moves, business investments, and an unbreakable spirit. From SNL to Hollywood, from near-death experiences to financial triumphs, Tracy Morgan has built a legacy that's as inspiring as it is hilarious. And if history tells us anything, he's not slowing down anytime soon.